Hello, hello. Welcome. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Um, Welcome to another coding every day until I get a job. Um, as per usual, we would test the microphone to check if it's working or not. Yep, okay, it's working. So, um, I hope everyone have a fantastic day, evening, or night, wherever you are. But I think it's supposed to be day 24, but I think I mistyped the title or something. So, but yeah, I think there's something wrong with the title. But yeah, you know what? I'm just gonna let it be that way. It's fine. Yeah, I think it's supposed to be 23, and today is 24th, but it's fine. What we reached 295 subscribers and 100 videos, so that's fantastic. Thank you for everyone. Yesterday was 300 views. It was amazing. But yeah, I think it was because it's pretty late and everybody was awake at the time. But I don't know. But that's amazing. Okay, so for today, I want to continue and finish this. I think I can definitely finish it. Um, and I think after finishing this, I want to relearn on how to set up an ERD, entity relational diagram, on how like what's like the best practices and like how to make this, and I'm gonna implement it directly into the like with an example with the project I want to make, so that I could have a clear like a clear data understanding of the data that I want for this project, for this app, and so that that after making the ERD, I would know what type of entities are there, what type of the attributes they have, what type of uh reference for no the foreign the primary key, foreign key, things like that. So uh yeah, I just want to make sure that we have proper data before before building the APIs, and then uh the APIs and then the UI. So yeah, okay, cool. Let's continue. I don't think we can do the challenge since it's premium, I guess, but it's okay. Yes. Okay. Okay. So, what was the question again? I couldn't see it. Let's just skip it. So here is my guess. Let's go. Here is my guess is that we need a car brand. Uh, hello, hello. How are you, Ahmed? Okay, there's nobody watching, but it's fine. Okay. Okay, sorry. So it's going to be select. I'm there in DC. Uh, like right now. Is it okay if I am streaming? Wouldn't that be a bit annoying? Because yeah, I don't know. I'd love to, but would it be annoying? Wouldn't it be annoying? Okay. Script. No problem. Okay. No problem that I'll join later, or no problem to be annoying. Nah, not for me. Yeah, okay. No worries. Okay, select brand, model, color, for cars. Oh, nice. What calculator are you making? Color. Um, is for Boolean values or null, for string or numbers, for color equals to red. Brand not in. I forgot where we use the not in. Do I need to put it in a parentheses? Like all we have in our phones. Ah, okay. Making it using the HTML, CSS, JavaScript. And I am thinking of making it a little bit advanced, like a scientific calculator, adding some trigonometry, things like that. Or what are you planning to add? Okay, let's just hope this one is correct. Yeah, okay, nice. I don't know, should I put parentheses in between this? But I think it's fine. I think and I forgot what table is the availability one, but it's like sold or available. It's is false, I think. The one is false. I think it's probably this one. Okay. Okay, let's just hope it's somewhat resembles this. I'm not entirely sure regarding the where part. Like, do I need to put the parentheses or not? More calculation shit. Yeah. Ah, okay. Brand and salt is false. Okay, it's okay. Maybe that's not correct. Brand, just the brand using that. Okay. Using jQuery. Me? Oh, like what I'm doing right now, or for the calculator you're making? Like you? Like, oh, this is SQL. This is SQL. This is SQL. This is SQL. Learning a bit about database. Yeah, next project I want to do full stack. Okay, cool. So okay, I think what it's what equals Ferrari. That's the correct one. Sold is false. Okay. Challenge is one. And then this is the other one. Hello, Sayed. How are you? Oh, that was my roommate. Yes, that was my roommate. He also has a long hair. Okay, so I think for this, well, this one, it's select again. We select brand, model, color from cars, where color is not. I don't know if the is not can be like this, like red, blue, or what, or white. Or it's the not in one. So it's gonna be red, blue, and white. Something, it's either this or that, so I'm not sure. No, no, no. It's just that I live in a. No, I live in a WG, Wohngemeinschaft. Like it's a shared housing. WG is a Wohngemeinschaft. It's shared housing, so it's common for student because it's cheaper. So that's why I live with other people that none of. Maybe it's not like. Okay, it's either that. Okay, let's see what's it not like, and then salt is false the same. Skip. Okay, let's see if it's correct. Ah, okay, color not in. Okay, it's the and brand. Okay, and brand not in as well. Okay. I'm looking for a Dodge from the 60s. Hello, hello. Gaurav Singh Tangaria, how are you? I am from Indonesia. Okay, so for the third one, it's select brand, model, year sold from cars where I think this one is using this because brand is equals because we just want the Dodge brand. Sorry, that 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 brand and year is equals year is in the 60s, so that means it has 196 in them. Have you complete? We're making a gambling game in server. What? Gambling? Love from India. Keep going. What you're okay. Thank you. Thank you so much. Gambling? Thank you so much, Gaurav. I'm not sure that one, but and then we have an or. The brand could be between. No, it's either for. Okay, let's see what. Sorry, there was a. Just for fun, not for real. Oh, okay. I thought. Sorry, I smell something. Sorry, I smell like a burnt tire, so it's probably from the car outside, but okay. Oh, okay. So that's what's the okay, so for the 60s, I could just do that between would the like 196 be possible? Have you completed front end? Like the from the previous project? Okay, let's do order by. Like I'm asking you, like like from the previous project, like the one that I did a few days ago, or is it like have you done front end? Yeah, a little bit, yes. Okay, this is kind of bad because like they don't really do much challenge, but it's fine. Select the brand, model, condition, and price on cars. Order the table by condition. It's an order and the prices and the order. Okay. Um, I think we can do select brand, model, condition, price. Cause well, I don't think have completed the front end because I think I still have many things to learn. Like so far, I've only learned of course, the basic HTML, CSS, JS, and with one library, aka slash framework, which is React. Like even in React, I am still like maybe very beginner, not that advanced yet. I didn't know like maybe like how to create like virtualization or using like different or like specific hooks for specific things. Like I still use the usual use date, use effect, and things like that. No worries, no worries. Okay, sorry. Let's get back to SQL. So it's order by. How does that work? Wait. Oh my God, cracked pool. Well, still trying to be, if that's the question is. Wait. Yes. Still learning. Wait, no. How come that it's is it two separate table? Okay, wait. We select the brand, the model, the condition from cars. Order by condition. But it's descending. And thank you. But the price is ascending. So it's from low. Ascending. Ascending is from the cheapest to lowest. Okay, so which one is the... Okay, so order by condition, but so order by is always the last. Would we add another in it? Would we add another where or just and? Yeah, just and condition equals to no, it's not equals to 5. Oh yeah, I remember. Order by is always the last because it's like yeah, I remember. Hello, hello. Hello, Rue and Crackpool. Thank you. Uh, I feel like there's someone either using a machine or mowing their lawn or something because the smell of the it smells like a burnt tire or maybe it's someone's car, but it smells bad. I have no idea what is it. Condition is not equal. Okay. Holy shit. Okay. So far I have learned HTML, CSS, JS, and Python, and SQL. Bit of C++ from uni. Love languages, yes. Oh my, fun fact. The no fun fact. Never mind. What is on you about, bro? Order by price. Take a look into TypeScript and Next.js for interest in making a website. Yes, actually, I've been trying to learn the JavaScript with TypeScript as well. I've been trying to read the documentation. I think this is not the official documentation. I think someone made a fork of the original documentation and it looks nice, but it's practically the same. But I've been reading the TypeScript documentation as well. Hey, I'm learning more right now. I hope I can internship by next semester. How is the progress so far? What has been the most challenging part of MERN that you've encountered? But yeah, I've been learning TypeScript as well by reading the docs. The hardest concept I still don't understand is the generics one. Like this one, the one in bracket. I don't quite understand like when or how to use it, and um what else? Maybe I need to using Sanskrit. You guys need to chill. Calm down, guys. Calm down. So with I would assume the we would limit select brand or color maybe has like because it's shade of red. That means anything that includes red. Where this and sold is false. Order by price. I don't know that they want descending or ascending because but limit to yeah, so and limit 5. So I think that's what we would do. Yeah, color with red, yeah. Tell me that you want some so sure. Progress is so to be honest. I've been busy with college stuff actually, so it gets delayed. I bro, want some pro do you even know how many big enterprises in Next.js till this day? Yeah, yeah, I've actually been trying to uh yeah, learn React to go in with the Next.js, but yeah, with the Next.js as well, because I really like the app router, or maybe because it looks easy for me, like it makes sense, the file-based routing and everything. Not this. Sorry, brother, that's 2 years old kid. Is that your brother or sister? Yeah, but yeah, I really want to uh start with the full stack after this and probably uses React. But right now I really want to thank you. Sanskrit 1 XJ 0. Yeah, Sanskrit is the yeah, Indo-Aryan family. Yeah, it's this one. We also have yeah, we Sanskrit we use a lot as well in Sanskrit, especially in Bali, where it's well yeah, I mean like a majority of the Hindu in Indonesia is in yeah, it's in Bali, but yeah, I mean like there is Javanese Sanskrit, there is also Sundanese Sanskrit in Indonesia, so but I think yeah, it's very very interesting. How the hell are you tagging me? I can't even use the data properly. To be honest, I don't know. Yeah, how do you tag? I don't think I can tag people there as well. But yeah, Sanskrit and Next.js. Interesting. Why are you guys fighting? It's felt is pretty good too, to be honest. Libraries and framework really depend on what kind of web app you're building. Yes, and I think yeah, I mean for front end libraries or like things like that. I mean in React we have I think we have Astro, we have Svelte, we have Remix, and then there's also I don't know. There's a lot, but I think I really want to try to focus on one because that's too much. Hello, Miss Moderator. Welcome. Can you please moderate the people fighting? Do you have a background study? I am studying electrical engineering actually, but I of course have many computer engineering slash science classes that I have, and I think that's what got me more into this coding part. So yeah, continue. Front-end frameworks are basically like Linux distros. Newbies always get confused trying to pick one. To be honest, yes. At first, I really confused because oh my god, there's so much. But then you know what? I think I should focus on one, and I think yeah, I want to do. I think I want to focus with the React part side of things. But yeah, so yeah, but yeah, it's true. There's so much options, and I think you should stick to one and focus and be good at it. Because I think learning too much, it's just confusing in the end. Were you interested in CS all along? I guess so, because um, I guess it's because I don't know, maybe the other the other courses was also interesting. It's just that sometimes the physics and math gets a bit too complicated that I couldn't really understand it. That I kind of understand the programming and coding side more. Not that I don't like any other part. Like I also enjoy one of my favorite courses actually embedded system where we do yeah, we do like using microcontroller with Raspberry Pi, using um Raspberry Pi and things like that to create like such stuff. So we have ESPs. So that I like yeah, I just enjoy making stuff that I actually could see and feel, because in electric engineering we talk about electrons, we talk about electricity generator, things like that, right? I mean, like if we talk about like electrons with particles, things like that, it's not really something I could visualize. It's not something we can touch. So yeah, I'm a business partner with Erdi, who's gay. Agreed, focus in one. Yeah, yeah, yes, true. But yeah. But yeah, moderators attack. But it's yeah, I think yeah, so I think like for this we have some autonomous classes as well. We have some control classes. Control was so amazing and so like eye-opening to me. Like, oh shit, like all the systems that we have so far could work by itself by using physics and math. But that part I couldn't really grasp control system very well. And the math, the functions, the physics is a bit difficult for me to follow everything to and to understand the details. Oh my god. I've actually for like the first few for the first few weeks of the stream, I was actually uh learning NeoVim, learning how to set up NeoVim. I watched tutorial by Typecraft, and I set it up. I follow his like free course. It's on YouTube, and I've been learning how to use NeoVim. So and also Tmax. So yeah, actually I've been let's do cd learn Hono. So yeah, actually I've been trying to learn NeoVim, but I still go back and forth between NeoVim and then uh yes, I goes back and forth between NeoVim and then the Visual Studio Code What business? It's what business? Okay. Wait, one by one. What business? So yeah, what business actually? I'm confused here. We we haven't agreed on anything yet. Oh, it's more like if you want guys want to join a Discord community, I have put the link. I think that's the business. I'm really trying to build something on my own, like a side project. It's been tough. What kind of projects are you building? Like, I said Slace. As the man himself. I am the owner of the server and Bro thinks he owns it. He's just a slave for. You guys have to calm down. Something built into another machine or something. Yes. The theme is awesome. Search Crafts Dog. Crafts Dog. Bro first switched to Linux. Only girls need new Windows. No, this is actually I'm on Linux, by the way. It's wait, I forgot what's the command to command to show Ubuntu version? I forgot the command. Yeah, I forgot. There's the command that shows the. It's actually WSL. I forgot how to see. I forgot the command. Is it this one? LSB release -a. Fast fetch. Is it this one? No. Yeah, I mean, like at first I was learning Vim. The funny story is, oh my god. Okay, I bought this keyboard, right? This like cheap mechanical keyboard. It doesn't have an arrow key. That's why That's why I started to learn Vimotions. Fast fetch. Okay, let's do that. Please. I hope it's not a malware, guys. I'm really still a newbie. I'm still a newbie on this, but fast fetch. Is it that one? No? Yeah, I mean the operating system is, but I'm learning the Linux with WSL as well, so that's that. I think someone recommended Crafts Dogs. Is it this one? See the GitHub. Okay. Ah, okay. New official season currently supports. How to open how to show the thing? Like what's the command to show this? The theme is awesome. It's the theme was I was just following the tutorial. I think it still uses the I think it still uses the Catpuchin. I think it uses the Catpuchin. To show this flashlight, I have a config here. Okay. How can I like how can I display it? Do I need to configure something first? Can't share JSON here. Okay. Check out my post. Yeah, I know, right? That's why, because for some reason I forgot the keyboard doesn't have arrows. But then okay, then I need to learn NeoVim because we don't have arrows in the keyboard. So I just need to run the fast fetch or okay, wait. Let's try to do that again. Would it be automatically or do I need to configure something? Where can I check your posts, Crackpool? And for Rue, what SAS are you making? But yeah, it's yeah, definitely a bad unable to look at fast fetch. Okay, now sudo app update. Oh, okay. I will check it out, Crackpool. Wait 1 second. And then oh my god, this looks amazing. Cool. Yeah, this is oh my god. Yeah, this is using WSL. Yeah, with Ubuntu 24. Oh my god. This is cool. This is cool. Thank you. Microsoft Hyper-V, local IP. Damn. Okay, I hope I didn't share the public IP. Hopefully not. Okay. This is cool. Thank you. Okay. Go back to SQL. Sorry, guys. I work with React Native and Express Goal and I also don't have a job yet. Do you have a .config for like the I'm having some issues with the LSP settings for like the JavaScript part. Do you have any ideas how I can do it? As. Yeah, okay, I remember this. Yep. Oh, I can use it on Windows too? Oh my god. I think I've seen your videos, Crackpool. This one. Oh my god. Hello. Wait. What? I've seen your videos. Crackpool, I've seen this video. Is this you? Oh, sorry. Sorry. It was. I'm gonna keep it 69. It's fine. Sorry. Quran. Oh my god. I've seen your videos making the donut. That's cool. I still cannot do this type of things. Awesome. Oh my god. That is so cool. I have my whole system configured. Awesome. Oh, okay, wait. Still go to my poster. I didn't check. Yeah, sorry. Wait. Uh, Go to channel, subscribe, post. Oh shit, this is cool. Damn, okay. Where should I put the... Damn, this is sick. This is cool. What? Okay. Do we need an update or is it like, oh, holy shit, okay. How do you make this? Ah, okay, this is the config. Okay, nice. I mean, like, where should I put it? Okay, I'm gonna read the docs later because this is cool. Like, this is not bad. I like it. Thank you for introducing me to this. Yeah, okay. This is I'm gonna check the docs and see where I could where I should put this, like in the file. But yeah. Yeah, okay. Would it be this? So what's the goal is to finish this course. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 more videos. Would the max function at the... Okay, here. Thank you. I'll see you around. Please make more videos. So yeah, the goal today is to finish the Intro to SQL course and probably a little bit of practice. I guess that's it for today. Yeah, I mean, like, accurate. That's accurate. That's accurate. I should be focusing more. Sorry. I get distracted way too easily. Okay, so I think select AVG. Okay. Where brand is okay, so I think it's going to be asterisk because it's the accurate for everything. The asterisk, okay, no, the price only, okay. Yes, yes, I will. I eat eggs. I ate eggs. Select max price where sold is true. Oh yeah, as was there from cars where sold is true. Yeah. Sorry. Sorry, I need to read this. I'm so sorry. Okay, the chat is okay. Bro, I'm going now. If one jobless person was another jobless person, then the whole world became jobless. Thank you. Thank you. Do you have any suggestion on how to get better with React next and probably Go? Because a few days ago, someone made a poll. No, I made a poll and the chat voted for me to learn Go. So maybe that's a good backend I should learn. Where brand equals to Brandly. Jonas Schmedmans? Is it free? I'm looking for free. I mean, of course, from React, I think I'm gonna check the Scrimba one. The Scrimba one is also okay. Looks okay. Wow. Okay. I think I've never used a flow before. Cool. Jonas Schmetter. Okay, I'll check them out. Or yeah, build a big. Okay, I think that's what I want to do after this. That's why I'm learning the backend first to create the ERD and setting up the data, and then maybe make the APIs, and then the front end design. So I think yeah, that's the next step. I think that will be the next step, of course. You can find it free on torrent sites. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Of course. Oh, okay. Yeah, the group buy, and then there's joint. I don't know if they will go over joint or not. Yeah. I have having. Okay. I think I'm gonna write a lot more theory about it in from the SQL Vault. Having. Okay. Of course, it's 10 USD. That's not bad. But um, I want to sleep earlier today. So that I could wake up earlier tomorrow. The stream has so much delay. Yeah, I know. I don't know. I don't know why. It's probably the chat, but it's also, I don't know, maybe the OBS. So max price, min price, from cause, where, sold is true, group by, having counted. Okay. So max price, min price, from cause, where, sold. Okay, oldest car. Ah, okay. Cool. Okay. Okay, this is complex. That's a bit complex, to be honest. Okay, so let's try. Let's give that a try. I think we want to select color, count. Select count and select color and count. How many cards each color sold? So select color. Do I need to group by it later by color and by the amount? Okay, I'm gonna need, okay. This is terrible. Oh yeah, we use the count. Oh my god. Okay, sorry. Oh yeah, group by color. Okay, correct. Cool. Sorry, I feel like just I know create table, and then we have insert into, and then probably some patch or delete. Yeah. Okay, cool. Next. Insert into. Table name, and inside the table name, sorry, not the row, column name, the row, the column name. Inside the column name, and then we would have, no, this one is table name. Inside of here is the row, rows, row name, and then values. Yeah, just the values. Yeah, so something like that. Okay. Oh, cool. Model year price. Yeah. Update. Yeah. What is set? Oh, set is the to stay the condition. Okay. Do we need to use where for the ID? Yeah, correct. Wow, we're almost finished. Okay, nice. Wait. No. I'm not finished with the update. Wait. Is it delete set as well? Oh, just straight up where? Okay. Well, we could just change the salt delete. I don't know where salt is true or equals to true. Yeah, I think the only thing left I need to learn is practice and how to create ARD. Thank you, Mr. Gregor. Okay, cool. Nice. I don't think we could get the certificate of completion. Oh shit, yes, you need to pay. Okay. But I guess yeah, I think I refreshed the some memories a bit. So I guess right now what I want to do is let's keep it that way. And I think I want to learn creating ERD for stack. Whoa. What's your spec? The the PC spec or the what specification? This specification, it's Ryzen 5 with GTX 1650. Hello, hello. Yeah, it's a Lenovo Legion with the Ryzen 5 and GTX 1650. This is already been 5 years now, the laptop. Almost 5 years. Yeah.
fifth point, if I kind of go back up to here, the actual attributes, very customizable. Obviously, these are the suggested attributes of our users, the username, an email, a password hash. These are customizable by you. This is just a brainstorm. Okay, so what is the short version of this? ChatGPT is an amazing tool to help us build ERDs. I will tell you, in my background, rewinding 15 years ago, I took courses, college courses, to learn how to model databases and database tables.
Yeah,
This
that's what
gives you
I
a
the course I
base
have as
of
had as well.
theory behind these suggestions. Again, you can study whole books on this, but ChatGPT does a really great job of making really clean, usable, following all the best practices of database design. Okay, many best design best practices, I should say. To get many to many, the users are for
And I think
have different identifiers, but I'm just going to
right
go
now
ahead
you
and
could just ask them to create a mermaid diagram so that they would visualize it. So I think we can try to do that. So okay, should we do reasoning or deep research? Let's do a new chat. Okay, cool. So what I want to do, or what I want to make for this, is actually, let's turn it into a page. It's basically like a directory website which has uh four engineering resources from books, videos, articles, tools, AIs, etc. to help slash guide the students. So that's basically the goal. And it's I've been like looking for many inspiration from, like, yeah, it's basically something like Seesaw, and then I think what did I visit yesterday? I think, yeah, Twitter website. Yes. Yeah, yeah, I think this Reddit gave a pretty good example of some of a very good directory that I want to make. Wow, okay, this is cool. But it's a bit too cramped, I think. This is nice. Yeah, so it's basically something like this, and it's supposed to be easy, right? The data wouldn't be that complicated and everything. Okay, I think, yeah, I really like the design of Seesaw, so maybe something like this actually would be cool. Because I want it to be a bit minimalistic, but still looks pretty cool and nice. Dark theme. Oh my god, what is this? Is it like Framer portfolio? I think. But yeah, okay. But yeah, it's something like this, but it's for like electrical engineer. Oh my god, this is cool. I like it. Okay. And what about the okay. Hello, hello, Crackpool. How are you? Yes, I am. I want to developers page. Do some like research, I don't know, for this project that I am making. So I'm still thinking what type of data would be suitable because job board. Okay. It's just oh my god, this is amazing. Okay, wait. Should we do some retro design that we could do for that website? I like this. It's just I want to make a what else in there every day? I want to know like what data would I need if I want to make something like this. Some sort of like a directory website, but for uh electrical engineering resources, something like that. Oh, this is sick. You need a layout? No, no, I'm like I'm looking for like design inspiration or like inspiration on how I should make my oh my god, this is so fun. Look at that. How is that not fun? Okay, what is it made of? Next.js, of course. Lottie. I want to know how do they make this. This is cool. Look at that. What's this donut? It's lagging, I guess, because they use. Oh my god, this. I always love some weird styling website that's just not convenient. That I know, even though it's probably still responsive on mobile, but looks. Oh, no, it still looks okay. I know. Yeah, that's why. That's why I feel like I really want to make it like that, but at the same time, loading times and things like that. So I think I'm gonna try to create something similar to Seesaw here, where it's a bit more subtle and less animation and stuff, but it's functioning, it's fast, things like that. So maybe something like this. Or I think I really also like workspace.xyz by, yeah, this is also cool. Like the design is clean and everything. Okay. This, yeah, but it's really fun. Okay, but yeah, I think what I would need is this is fun. Hoover State is fun. Okay. Hardware. Probably something like Seesaw would be nice. But yeah, okay. What is temporary? No, no, no. I don't want it temporary. Okay. Hey, what can I help you? I want them to categorize. I don't know. What do you think? What do you guys think? Like, I wanted to have like some filtering. I wanted to have like a search option. Okay, students. I want the website to be able to, like, I don't know. How could I describe it? How should I describe it? Maybe one second. Let's see. Potentially resources from books, videos, articles, tools, AI, etc. Student.
Does not have to together relationships. So please include.
Well, it's more like a person. It's not really. I don't think that's a huge problem for this. It's just that I wanted to make this project for myself, in the sense that when I was studying for the past 4 years, 4.5, I wish there's one website that could have a list or just a hub, you could say, for all the electrical engineering videos, resources, books, websites, tools that could help me understand the materials and get through the degree, basically. So it's kind of like a problem for me, but it's a bit too late because I'm almost over. So it's kind of for the electrical engineering students out there that's still studying, because there is like some hidden gems video that just I have the certain questions. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I'm planning to use Next.js as well, and yeah, but for this, I was learning the basic of database again, so that I would know what type of data I would have, so that I could configure. Yeah, maybe after setting up the ERD. I'll probably design the front end first and then make the APIs and everything. So maybe we should do that. But yeah, it's for experience as well, and for my old self that wish this website existed, because all the books, website, videos, and everything is in this one place, and you can like bookmark them or save them, things like that. I don't know. It's probably not going to be very interesting, or not that many people will visit it, but yeah, I guess it's one project that I really want to make for myself. Sora. Oh, really? Okay, wait. Like the image generations? Oh, I see what you meant. I see. I see. I see. This is a cool website. So this is the Sora's website, I believe. God damn it. Okay, fine. Not this one? Yes, exactly similar, something like this, to be honest. True. Yes. Well, so which website it is actually? Wow. Can we create image here? Yeah, okay. This one is cool. Yeah, it's exactly something similar to this, but for like electrical engineering topics that I have studied and I struggled for the past 4 years. Okay, 1 second. There's someone at the bell. Thank you. Okay, yeah, I'll definitely try to do that. But yeah, it's some. Oh yeah, this is good. This is good. I like it. With like landing page with search and like what do you call this? Like, okay, this is a sidebar, but do I want to make it a sidebar? Or to be honest, I do not want to make it a sidebar. I want it to be like workspace, like where it's this, but then you can visit it. Bro, my pelvis is tilted because I sit in the chair all day. You should stand up more often and stretch, my guy. Don't like don't let the spine or anything hurt you, because in the long term it could be bad. Like, you should always gets up. And yeah, I wanted something more like this, where the hero section, and below it it's just the filtering part of that website. Said, please stand up and stretch. Do not hurt your back. Business filtering. Could also filter slash tag with certain things, maybe tools or article, books, website, etc. But yeah, I guess that's it. Okay, why couldn't we do that? I am trying to plan an ERD, basically the shape, I don't know, like how the data would be for this project. They could also submit if they want, and if they have. Yeah, I mean, I think it's probably not going to have that much pages as well, because it's going to be like this, and this is gonna be a gallery. It's gonna be a single page, and then not single page, like it's gonna be a dynamic page, which fetch maybe photos data, or like the list of maybe the link to go into that specific website directory or something like that. But yeah, I think it's an interesting thing. Okay, they could also there should be a submit button where people would submit. Yeah, that's definitely gonna be a dynamic route. Can submit some resources, and then uh, dynamic pages of specific the specific tools and resources with description, text, etc., and the link to go there. Yeah, something like that, I guess. And yeah, hopefully we can monetize them for like this, having some sponsor page, things like that. So we'll see how that goes. But yeah, yeah, it's very interesting. Maybe this first. Let's see what ChatGPT came up with this. Yeah, sorry. Yeah, the prompt is not very optimized. Do you have any recommendation? URL, name, email, password, created at. Okay. ID, title, description, URL, submitted, created at. No, but for the submit, I think I want it to be like I need to edit it manually because let's optimize the prompt again. resource. Okay, for the maybe, or you know what? I guess it's fine. It's fine. What do you think? What do you guys think? Or maybe we should like, yes, please. Yeah, I guess it's not supposed to be that complicated, right? Because the resources could have just, it could be a book. If it's a book, then it's just a, okay. Yeah, a tag on it, which is, this is a book, or is it a tool, or is it a website article or something like that? And then the bookmark would, yeah, would connect to the user and the resources. Yeah, this is many to many, and this is like many to many. Okay. Oh, I think what I want to do is also add like an upvote, like a vote, like an upvote or downvote for like a like, maybe a like, so that the users that could like, yeah, they could see which other people could just see which resources is liked the most by other people's. Nice. Could you also add, I also want to add okay, and let's go to a mermaid render. Sorry, I was reading some messages. Okay, I guess we can see the mermaid, see if that looks okay, and I think we could end the stream because it's almost 2 hours. Because yeah, I guess we already finished the course, and now all we need to do is, yeah, maybe made a proper. Let's see if it's optimized already or not for this one. Okay, but it's, yeah, I think it's very interesting. Okay, let's see. Online flowchart. Let's see. Okay, let's see. So first we have user, which is, yeah, people could logged in and do some stuff. They could have a like, yeah, resource that they like is liked. It's that it's safe. User could submit, yes. And then there's the resource, which has ID, which is have the title, text, description, string URL, int submitted by daytime. Okay, yeah. Okay. Let's see if CISO have all this. Okay. It has this font, category, things like this. But I think since it's already in the tag, like, sorry. I mean, like, since the resources already have the tag category and everything, we could, yeah, we could just call everything just based from the ID, right? Because the, yeah, it's bookmark is something, it's, there's always resource ID as a foreign key for this resource ID, and then, yeah, this refers to this, refers to the other. So yeah, I think that's possible to do that, to create the API. And okay, you know what? Let's just ask ChatGPT. Okay, what if I, okay, based on all of those features, could you create a simple component using Hono.js? Yeah, maybe I want to use Hono, but I could just use Express as well, or just use the Next.js route. But I want to see if I'm using Hono. Let's just do that first. Let's see how it did. Create resources. Yep. Console ID. It's a better way to create the ID. Okay, I guess, yeah, there shouldn't be that many endpoints, I would assume. Maybe the complicated part would be later, like seeding them, optimizing the images, things like that. More QL tools. Memory cleaner for Windows in GitHub. Ah, okay. What? This free RAM .NET framework. It even has an Indonesian language. That is cool. What can I do with this? Like, is it supposed to make the other unnecessary task better? Because, yeah, look at that. Almost 100. Definitely gonna need more RAM. Okay. I think it's hopefully it won't be that hard, but who knows? But judging by the API, it's not that bad. Hopefully. I don't know. Ah, okay. Very cool. Okay then. I think that's it for today. Uh I think we finished the goal for today. I think for tomorrow, what I want to do is still wait if there's any progress with the copywriting and everything from the previous landing page. And if there isn't, I think I want to start designing, or maybe not designing, start to make the website for this, because why not? Okay, I think once again, thank you very much, Said, Yahoo, Crackful, and everyone. I hope you have an amazing day. Amazing day, evening, night, or anything, whatever time zone you are in. Thank you so much for tuning in. Apologize, I get distracted more often compared to where I should be studying. But yeah, I guess that's it for today. This is another coding every day until I get a job. I'll see you again tomorrow. Bye.